So here we have a clothesline and a thingy, and the JT bear over there on the ladder, just tying it to the tree for us, because we're not quite sure where we want to commit to this yet. So we need a little something to help us dry our clothes. So he's being very ingenuitive over there. The dog is being very whiny, but he can't go out and tromping around right now. So we are greening up this house with a clothesline. Oops, that was super zoom, sorry. Yeah, it was like $12.99 down at the co-op. Alright, JT has attached a little connector thing, and we're just going to clip off the extra cord. We needed kind of 4 hands to get this thing going, just to help hold it on the pulleys and untangle it because the dog kicked it. But yeah, there we go. We have a little clothesline out. That's awesome. Huzzah! It's the dog's first use of a clothesline.
Come here. Like, I can't even lay down. This is cruel, man.
Are you gonna make me stand here? No, can you pull the clothesline down to the ladder, please? Or come on up here. Go for a walk, dude. Oh, it's gotta be weird, like, through his collar. I think it needs oiled. Do you have any WD-40? Because that sounds horrid.
Well, it's